In this short, practical course, I'm going to show you how to take a raw dataset, like a plain CSV or Excel file, and turn it into a visual, interactive, professional dashboard in under 5 minutes, and we'll do it all without writing a single line of code and without wrestling with complex graphic tools that demand endless settings and configurations. We're going to start from scratch and fully leverage the power of Claude's artificial intelligence. So, what will you learn? You'll learn how to analyze datasets, Excel files, CSV files, using Claude's AI to automatically extract the key metrics. You'll learn how to prompt it to design a complete, visually stunning dashboard using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and chart.js. And you'll learn how to read, interpret, and reuse the code Claude generates, turning it into a real, working tool that runs right in your browser. What used to take hours of painstaking work and require years of training can now be done in minutes, in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. Now, what tools will you use? Claude as your AI copilot. A real CSV file, which I'll provide so you can follow along with me, though of course you're welcome to use any data file you already have. And for the visuals, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and chart.js for dynamic, interactive charts. Let me be clear. You do not need to be a programmer or a professional designer. I'll guide you step by step, and the result will meet the highest standards. Why does this matter? In a data-driven world, the ability to turn raw information into clear visual insights is a major advantage. And when you can do it in minutes, with an AI that genuinely understands what you need, you multiply your productivity and your analytical power. So get ready. In under an hour, you'll be building AI-powered dashboards in a way you never thought possible. Let's get started. Let's get to work. This process will consist of 3 steps: analyzing the data, identifying key metrics, and generating the dashboard. Before asking Claude for help, we need to understand what information we're working with, because just like in any good conversation, the better you know the topic, the better questions you'll be able to ask. This is the CSV file we'll be using as an example throughout this course. You can download it from the resources folder of this lesson, or feel free to use your own dataset, whether it's a CSV, an Excel file, or a JSON data table. Either way, you'll be able to follow along just fine. Let's take a look at what this file contains. It's a sales record from a company that operates across different regions and sells products from various categories. Here are the fields: date, when the sale occurred; region, the geographic area where the product was sold; product, the category of what was sold; sales channel, whether the sale was online or offline; units sold, the number of products sold in a given transaction; unit price, the price at which each product was sold; total revenue, the total amount collected from the sale; total cost, how much it cost to make that sale profit, the difference between revenue and cost. What can we do with this data? This is a small but powerful dataset. With it, we can answer questions like: which products are the most profitable? Which region has the best margins? How do sales evolve over time? Which sales channel is more profitable? And much more. Do we need to clean the file? In this case, no. The file is already clean. There are no missing values. The numbers are well formatted, and the field names are clear. If you were working with a messier file, it would be worth cleaning it first. But today, we're diving straight into action. We now have a well-structured file, we've identified the key variables, and we're ready to use this information to build a powerful dashboard with Claude. Let's move on to the next lesson. Now that we are familiar with our CSV file, it's time to meet the copilot. That will help us to turn it into an amazing dashboard, and that is Claude. What is Claude? Well, let's get into it. You can go to Claude, and you will meet the artificial intelligence assistant that is developed by the company Anthropic. It's great at understanding structured data, at generating ideas and visualization, at writing code in multiple languages like HTML, JavaScript, Python, etc., and at holding natural task-oriented conversations. Unlike other models, Claude has a more conversational and cooperative approach, which makes it ideal for tasks like ours, analyzing data, making decisions, and building visual solutions step by step. How do you access Claude? Well, as I told you, you can go to Claude. You should log into your account. I already did that, and then choose a model. For example, Claude Sonnet 4 is the free one. You can also choose the paid one and more older models. But for this, you will be great with the free plan in Claude Sonnet 4. It will work amazingly, and then you start chatting. You just have to behave in like a traditional chat. You just write your text or your prompt, or you can pass it if you have one, copy it, and Claude replies in seconds. Some tips to get the most out of Claude. Give it context. Tell it what you are doing, what data you're using, and what you expect to get. Also, be clear and specific. The clearer you are, the better results it will give you. Also, ask it to explain thoroughly. You can ask it to tell you what each part of the generated code does, and also iterate if you are not satisfied with the results. Refresh the prompt or ask for alternatives. In this course, we will use Claude as our visualization assistant, but you could also use it to create presentations, to write reports, to translate technical text, and so much more. In summary, Claude is a super powerful and cooperative AI. You can access it for free from its website, and it's ideal for turning data into ideas and visualizations. In the next lesson, we will give it our first prompt, and that's when the real magic begins. See you there.